In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!